friends, welcome to Wondrous Astronomy. You are with Cosmokid Sonar. I hope some of you might have got a chance to observe Leonid meteors in mid-November. Soon there is going to be another celestial event, which I love to call as celestial hide and seek. Yes, this AstroInfo Tale is about eclipses. There are many myths around eclipses across the globe. Most of these involve some or the other kind of demons engulfing the sun or the moon. I'll just tell you a few of them in brief. In India, according to a Hindu mythological story, a demon named Swarabhanu was caught by gods while he was stealing the elixir of life, the Amrit, which was obtained during Samudra Manthan or churning of the ocean. Gods beheaded Swarabhanu for this act. The separated head of Swarabhanu became Rahu and his headless body became Ketu. Angry Rahu flew off to the sky and swallowed the sun and caused solar eclipse. In Norse cultures, wolves are blamed for eating the sun. In Vietnam, people used to believe a giant frog engulfs the sun. In China, people used to believe a celestial dragon has lunch on the sun. Traditionally, people in many cultures come together and bang pots and pans to scare away the demons during solar eclipse by making loud noises like these. In many parts of India, people keep the idols at their home under water to save them from demons and pray for the demons to go away. According to the legend of the Batamba River from ancient Africa, eclipses meant the sun and moon were fighting together. To stop them from hurting each other, people used to say that there is only one way, and that only way was for people on the earth to resolve conflicts with each other. This suggests that people also used events like eclipses as a teaching moment. Fear about eclipses still exists in many parts of the world, giving rise to many superstitions. Eclipses, solar in particular, shows dramatic effects as the sun sometimes partly or fully disappears from the sky for a brief amount of time. Eclipses occur less often, and the reasons then unknown must have caused fear in early humans. In the late 5th century, the ancient Indian mathematician and astronomer Aryabhata gave explanation for the eclipses. Aryabhata explained how pure geometrical alignment of the sun, the moon and the earth is responsible for eclipses, and also how their relative sizes matter. While formulating, Aryabhata used Rahu and Ketu as ascending and descending nodes of the intersection of lunar orbit and the apparent solar orbit in space. Scientists and astronomers around the world have debunked most of the superstitions around eclipses. No scientific evidence shows that eclipses affect human behavior, health, or environment. Although scientists stress on only one point: whenever you observe a solar eclipse, do protect your eyes. on December 4, 2021, there is going to be a total solar eclipse. The total solar eclipse will be visible only from some parts of Antarctica. The partial solar eclipse on the same day will be visible from southern parts of Australia, New Zealand, Namibia, South Africa and Chile. Are you interested in finding out if this eclipse is visible from your place? Then do check the reference links given in the description box below. Also, I will be sharing some tips on how to observe solar eclipse safely with proper protection of your eyes very soon. Stay tuned. Happy observing!